Hi everybody, today I would like to talk about social media influencer marketing. You probably heard about the term the new influentials or online influentials. This is referring typically to a group of people with large following across their social media platforms. Whenever they engage the audience, they're going to get these overwhelming responses from the audience, and they have the ability to create buzz on the web. And therefore, many times they are regarded with this celebrity status. That's right. Nowadays, if you want to be a celebrity, you do not need to do it through the traditional route. You do not need to be on this huge television network or appear on this big screen cinema in order to become a celebrity. If you know how to position yourself well, if you know how to make use of all the social media tools out there, you can actually become the next online celebrity. So whether you are thinking of being an influencer or whether you are a small, medium business owner who is thinking of engaging an influencer to do your marketing, you've come to the right place, because in this video, I'm going to cover the big payoff of social media influencer marketing. So are you thinking of being an influencer? And probably the question is it worth it to be an influencer? Because the fact is, if it's going to take a lot of effort, time, energy for you to be successful in this venture, is it worth it? I would say the answer is yes. It is worth the effort because the benefits will far outweigh the works. And that is the reason why numerous influencers continue to build their influence through various avenues and platforms on the web. And that is a reason why, as they grow their network, marketers start to take notice of that. And they would like to take advantage of this widespread of popularity. And these influencers, they have a big potential to help the marketers to reach to the potential audience who can become their next customers. And therefore, a lot of marketers, a lot of business owners actually have regarded influencer marketing or influentials as an extension of their marketing efforts. So are you thinking of engaging an influencer for your social media marketing? I would say that it has the potential to take your business to the next level. More than 92% of all business owners, according to survey, reported that social media is believed to be one of the most important marketing efforts that they can engage themselves in order to increase awareness for their products and services. And in fact, more than 80% of those who have tried social media marketing reported that their efforts have been proven to be fruitful in order to drive traffic back to their website to promote their products and services. So therefore, many of them will continue to engage influentials for their marketing. And many of them start to recruit more and more influencers to promote their brand. The next wave of marketing is called interactive marketing. Gone are the days when advertising is a one-way street. Interactive marketing means it is not only you who are trying to communicate with your audience, but you will also be receiving feedback directly, in real time sometimes, from your community of followers. People now are more cautious than ever because of myriad of choices available out there. People make use of this widespread search on the web. Before they make any purchase decision, they would like to make sure that they get the right information about the products and the services that they are going to purchase. They will listen to the community based on what their opinion is about their product and services, and the influencers play a big role in influencing their purchasing decision as well. Therefore, it is essential for businesses to make their existence in social media marketing. I hope I've convinced you by now that your business needs to engage social media marketing for it to go to the next level. Like it or not, social media will continue to be an integral part of our day-to-day lives, because more than 70% of all adults carry a phone on their hand, right? We have multiple gadgets with us, and we use social media in order to get connected with one another, be it on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, you name it. But we all like to be socially connected one with another. So the question is, are you going to be passive or active about it? 90% of the people use social media as a source of entertainment or a source of information. But don't be the majority. Be the minority of a people who will actually capitalize on this trend. And whether you are thinking of being an influencer or whether you are thinking of engaging influencer for your marketing efforts, I would say ride on this wave, this next wave of interactive marketing. This influencer marketing is the new form of brand ambassadors. Now, as you might be aware, in the past, the traditional way is brands will have brand ambassadors who represent them as the face of their products, as a face of their company, right? To increase company awareness and their products and services, and to give more details about the products and services to the mass market. However, nowadays, influencers, they represent the people. They have already earned the trust of those people who follow them. And because of their expertise around a following topic, they have the ability to communicate very loudly across their vast network of influence. In other words, they just create buzz whenever they talk to this community of audience. There is a lot of benefit to social media marketing. All right, number one that I can think of is a wide-reaching impact. Okay, you can reach many more people than you are able through the traditional way of advertising. Not only that, but it's cost efficient. Nowadays, when you advertise on social media, it costs you a fraction of what it will cost you if you are to do it through traditional media such as TV, radio, billboards, printed literatures, you name it. It's never going to come anywhere near the cost efficiency of social media marketing. You get real-time results. You don't have to wait months for you to know how effective it is. You get immediate feedback on whether your effort is successful or not. And then you also get a high return on investment. If it's not good, you simply turn the ads off, right? It's as simple as that. If it is not working, then you stop the effort and you try something else. And not only that, but you also get access to this global platform. Now, this is something that is not feasible when it comes to traditional advertising, because you are oftentimes bounded by a particular location, or if you try to reach global platform, it's going to cost you a bomb. Now, these are all the benefits of social media marketing, and you must know that nowadays people are busier than ever. The world is moving faster and faster. There are way too many good options when it comes to products and services that are similar to yours. And the question that a lot of customers have out there is, why should I choose you? Right? Why you? You know, across all these different competitors of yours, why should they pick you? I would suggest that you actually make use of influencers to help, your audience or your potential customers to find the hidden gems of your products and services and to report back to them, the rest of the tribe, with their reviews, their honest opinion, why your products and services could add value to their lives, how your products and services are superior compared to your competitors. Ride on the wave or get left behind on the trend. Like it or not, this trend is going to continue on for the next, at least 20, 30 years or so. But here's the question. Are you going to be passive or are you going to be active about it? Are you going to be left behind? I hope not. So that's it for this video. Are you interested to become an influencer or to use influencer marketing in order to promote your products and services? Comment down below. I would like to hear from you. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you like videos like this, help me by smashing the thumbs up button. It will just take you a few seconds. And hit the bell so that you will be notified the next time a video like this is being released. I hope you have gotten value out of this video. And until we meet again on our next video.